Working harder doesn't make you rich. Most people are trapped in a cycle of earning and spending. But there's a smarter way to build wealth. In this video, I'll show you how focusing on assets that pay you back can help you build passive income without overcomplicating things or working more hours. Assets are things that put money in your pocket. Liabilities are things that take money out. Many beginners buy expensive cars or clothes that don't make them money. Those are considered liabilities. Example, rental property. Imagine buying a small rental property for $150,000. You rent it out for $1,200 per month. After mortgage, taxes, and maintenance, it still gives you $200 to $300 cash flow every month. That's money working for you, not your hours. Example 2, dividend stocks. Dividend stocks pay you a portion of the company's profits. For example, if you own $1,000 in a stock that yields 5% annually, you get $50 per year just for holding it. That's passive income coming in without you lifting a finger. Instead of trading your time for money, invest in things that generate cash flow. Every dollar you put into assets multiplies your earning potential. Dividend stock example. If you buy $5,000 of a dividend ETF, yielding about 4%, you earn $200 per year. Now, reinvest those dividends, and over time, your money grows exponentially. And that's what we consider compounding. Rental income example. A rental property with $1,200 rent per month might only cost you $900 in mortgage expenses. That's $300 monthly cash flow, $3,600 per year, while a property may also appreciate in value. Side business or digital asset. Creating a small online course, printables, or an ebook can sell repeatedly, earning money while you sleep. The upfront work pays off over time. Now, most beginners make the mistake of being liabilities thinking they're assets. Expensive cars, designer clothes, or tech gadgets. Another mistake is ignoring small investments because they seem insignificant. Here's a surprising mistake most beginners make that keeps them broke. Even a $50 a month investment in a dividend ETF can grow to over $3,000 in 5 years with reinvested dividends. Starting small is better than doing nothing. Here are 3 beginner-friendly tips. Track your money. Know what's an asset and what's a liability. Start small. Invest even $50 to $100 regularly in dividend stocks or funds. Avoid flashy debt. Don't buy things that look impressive but drain cash flow. This channel shares simple beginner-friendly wealth and mindset ideas anyone can understand. No jargon at all. If you want more practical tips like this, hit subscribe and check out my other videos. Start building passive income today.